Dealing with Windows. Update error 0x800f0831 on Windows 11? I'll guide you on how to fix this issue. Stay tuned for a quick and effective solutions to resolve the Windows Update error 0x800f0831 and keep your system up to date without any hitches. If you encounter an update install error, utilize a specialized repair program. With Windows Upgrade, you may upgrade the existing features, add the newest, and improve the overall efficiency of your operating system. However, random mistakes can happen with no apparent reason. Fortunately, specialist Windows repair tools like Fortect can assist you in automatically fixing these problems and enhancing the performance of your computer. Press Windows +I to launch the Settings app. Then click on Troubleshoot on the right in the System tab. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Next, locate the Windows Update Troubleshooter and click on the Run button next to it. Wait for the troubleshooter to diagnose the issue and choose the appropriate repsons when prompted to fix them. Press Windows +S to launch the search menu. Enter Windows Terminal in the text field at the top, right-click on the relevant search result, and select Run as Administrator from the context menu. Click Yes on the UAC User Account Control prompt that pops up. Next, click on the down arrow at the top and select Command Prompt from the list of options. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl+Shift+2 to launch the Command Prompt tab. Now, type-paste the following command and hit Enter to run the SFC Scan -SFC/Scano. Once it's complete, paste the following command and hit Enter to run the DISM tool DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Wait for the scan to complete, then restart the computer and check if the 0x800f0831 Windows 11 install error is fixed. Press Windows +R to launch the Run command. Type services.msc in the text field and either click on OK or hit Enter to launch the Services app. Locate and double-click on the Windows Update service to launch its properties. Click on the Startup Type drop-down menu and select Automatic from the list of options. Next, click on the Start button under Service Status, and then click on OK to save the changes. Press Windows +R to launch the Run command. Type WT in the text field, hold the Ctrl+Shift, and either click on OK or hit Enter to launch an elevated Windows terminal. Now type-paste each of the following commands and hit Enter after each to reset the Windows Update components and fix the 0x800f0831 Windows Update error. Execute the following two commands to stop the bits and Windows Update services. Next, execute the following command to delete the qmgr.board.dat files. The following commands will rename some critical folders. Though if you are attempting to reset the process for the first time, skip this step. And if the process doesn't go through, try it the next time. Execute the following two commands to reset the bits and Windows Update service. Next, type-paste the following command and hit Enter to execute it. Now, execute each of the following commands individually to re-register the bits and Windows Update files. Now, paste the following command and hit Enter to reset WinSock. The last step is to restart the bits and Windows Update service. So execute the following commands to do that. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.